Hello everyone, in last tutorial we talked about register button and reset button, and today we are going to talk about continuing the form about the search. Today this is the last topic about the form. I'm going to open my file. In HTML file we have two ways to write a search in the form. Okay, after these three buttons, alert me, register and reset, I'm going to write. One way is the text field. Type text, name, search, placeholder, search here, and after that input, type, submit, and value is search. Now when I refresh, see, and I search something here, only you see the border with black, and search the second one. I need to come here. Second one is about input type search. To implement a search function, you use an HTML form to submit the search text and other required data to the search engine. Within the form for the search function, you can use an input element of the search type for the text that is entered. Input type search, the name is search, placeholder, search here, and after that size 10 and maximum length 20. These are attributes for the search type: name, placeholder, size, max length. These are not new attributes for the form. Okay, when I refresh, you will see, but when I type here Google, you will see with this sign you can close, but with this only you can erase that. We cannot close or search. This is the difference with the text type search. This is for input type search. This is enough for today's tutorial. I will continue this subject to my next tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel.